Okay, so today I want to discuss my new battery, the iWalk Secretary Plus, and then I'm going to show you it being unboxed and I'm going to tell you why I like it. On this, and the beauty of this one as well that I really liked was the phone stand that pops out and then you can rest your phone in it, and that's usually how I like to watch my shows since I bought this thing. But with the built-in cables, I've got my USB-C and I've got my lightning cable which charges my AirPods, and then whenever I'm out, and it actually happened the other day, whenever I was out the other day, it's still got the micro USB with this little additional thing. So what I'll do is I'll show you a little clip now of my unboxing of this, because I have claimed in the title that this is an unboxing, so I'll show you that little clip now. And so the functionality of this is really good. And when I got this battery, it came with this little warranty sticker that says happy or unhappy on it. So we've got the iWalk on it, so it is definitely a different brand, but it's almost identical on the inside as well, claiming with the 18-month warranty and things. So the 18-month warranty is what I'm interested in, because it means that when those cables fail, hopefully I'll be able to email them and they can say, we'll send you a new one, or we'll repair it, or whatever that is. And that's what I want, because my phone will last 2 years, maybe more, depending on what I use it for in the future, because sometimes old phones get repurposed, don't they? And that battery will accompany my phone for a long time. But the most brilliant part of this package, the main reason why I really liked it, and I'll show you it in the warranty, I will show you it in the booklet. Pass-through technology, it's a flipping winner. It means that I can plug my phone into that when I'm away and out and about, and then I can plug my battery into the wall. So as long as I'm at someone's house who's got a USB-C or a micro USB, if they've got any of those chargers around the house, then I can charge my phone through this. So I don't even need to bring a USB-C charge cable with me. Wherever I go, as long as I've got this, I've got 2-3 days worth of charge and the charge cable that I need all the time, no matter where I am. And I think that is a fantastic feature. And this battery is designed to do that. Some of these older ones, and I did email Orky about this when I bought this battery, when I got it. I said, am I able to plug my phone into this and plug this into the wall at the same time and sort of pass through that charge, so that when I wake up in the morning I'll have a fully charged one of these and a fully charged phone? But they said no, it's not designed to do it. Something to do with the circuitry, it overheats, it burns out, the batteries will explode, your house sets on fire, everybody dies, and that's not good, is it? So really, that is a technological wonder. Just thought I'd chop in a little bit of footage of me making use of this battery while out and about, and that's really all I wanted to share with you. So if you're after buying a battery in the next year or so, and your phone is either Lightning or it's USB-C, then I would definitely recommend you look at the iWalk. So I've come out to meet my old friend from uni, and we've come to the Sandpiper pub in Ormskirk. You can see that in the background, there you go. And I've brought my new battery iWalk thingy to test out while we're here. There's my back.